It's your girl QG back in the cut. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I get the fall eye look. I call this my chocolate sunset look. Okay, baby. I'm gonna mesmerize you with my eyes. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, today I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look. Very easy, very beginner friendly. All I use is literally one brush and one palette. I use this M139 by Morphe, which is like a small blending brush. Very soft, very easy. Then I use this Morphe palette. It's called the Second Nature 3502. I love this palette, y'all. It is so pretty. Let me show you. Very pretty. I got this from the Morphe store in Houston that we have in the Galleria. Very pretty, very affordable. I think it was only like $20 or something like that. But anyway, so if you want to see how I got this beautiful look, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get straight into it. I already primed my eyes. To prime my eyes, I probably should have did that on camera, but I primed my eyes with LA Girl Concealer in the color Toffee. The only thing I didn't do is set it, so I'm gonna take some banana powder. I'm just gonna press it into my eyes like this, and then we're gonna get started. So the first one I'm gonna use is called Universal, but let me show y'all what the color looks like.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Orb right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease as well, so just a darker shade.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
And if I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking in my mirror, guys, so sorry. Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little more. Like I said, this is so simple, y'all. So simple. And I have very small lids, so if you have small lids, then it's cool. Okay, I'm gonna rub my brush on a napkin.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
I don't know if you can see. And what is this called? A blaze. Yeah, a blaze. And then I'm gonna put this. Okay, you see how I started right here, like at the top of my crease, and now I'm gonna go bottom. I'm not necessarily going on my lids, but kind of, because my lids are small, but I'm still staying in my crease, just lower crease. And I'm gonna pat that in first. Yo, this color is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Morphe did that. I'm gonna apply a little more just to build the color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and then blend it with the other eyeshadows that I've already put in. Just windshield wiper motions, that's all. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the color right next to it, which is called Heat. This is called Heat. I'm gonna put that in the same spot just to darken it up a little bit.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Okay, now I'm gonna wipe my napkin. So this is how it should look now. You're gonna take this color right here. It's right underneath this shimmery orange right here. No shimmer, just this. And that's called Brick. And I'm gonna place it right here.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Yes, sis, yes. Okay, so now this is my favorite part. I'm gonna take Rich that's underneath this brick color. I'm gonna get this, and like I said, I'm using this same brush. I'm gonna put it all over my lid. And like you see I'm patting it, and that's just to build the color. Look how pretty this looks.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
So I'm gonna add some more because that's not dark enough for me, but I don't want to use a darker brown, if that makes sense. I just want to build the color. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit more of rich.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do, now that I got it the color that I want, I'm going to take Pure and Bronze with my finger. Can you see? Yeah. By ABH. And I'm going to take this golden bronze color right here, which is like my favorite highlighter. And I'm going to put that underneath my brow to give it a bang. Boom. Boom. Baby, boom. Okay? Boom. So now I'm gonna put my lashes on. These are baby lashes. I usually wear super dramatic lashes, but the lashes I was gonna wear, I left them somewhere and I can't find them. So I have to wear these baby wispy. Okay guys, I'm back. So I put my lashes on, smothered them in mascara. I put some highlight on, put brown lip liner on my lips and then a nude lip, and added a little gloss. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my black eyeliner. I said lip liner. Black eyeliner. And I'm gonna line my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this orange color again.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
With the same brush. Same brush. And we are done. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Like I said, it's very beginner friendly. You only use one brush and one palette. I'm not that good at eyeshadow, guys, so this is easy. And it looks like I'm a MUA, like, baby girl, I'm a MUA. You can't tell me anything with this eyeshadow. Like, people really think that you're good at eyeshadow. Like, my friends say I'm really good at eyeshadow, but I'm really not that good. Any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing, and we finally made it to 100 subbies, y'all. I'm so happy. I meant to tell you that. I'm so happy about that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, please, and I will see you guys later. Smooches.